friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Surely ask question in board exams. Important and hot questions are given with weightage of marks. Carbon compounds, chapter 9, class 10, Science and Technology part 1. Exercise. Question 6. Identify the type of the following reaction of carbon compounds. Question A. Answer. Chemical reaction, oxidation reaction. Question B. Answer. Chemical reaction, combustion reaction. Question C. Answer. Chemical reaction, addition reaction. Question D. Answer. Chemical reaction, substitution reaction. Question E. Answer. Chemical reaction, dehydration reaction. Question F. Answer. Chemical reaction, neutralization reaction. Question G. Answer. Chemical reaction, esterification reaction. Question 7. Write structural formulae for the following IUPAC names. A. Pent 2 on. Answer. Pent stands for 5 carbon atoms in a chain. Number the carbon atoms in a chain as 1, 2, 3. ON stands for functional group ketone. Show the ketone group at C2. Now satisfy the valencies of each carbon atom. B. 2-chlorobutane. In 2-chlorobutane, butane stands for 4 carbon atoms. Number the carbon atom in a chain as 1, 2, 3. Chloro, halo is the prefix and the number assigned for the prefix is 2. Show the chloro atom at C2. Now, satisfy the valencies of each carbon atom. C. Propane 2 all. Answer. Propane stands for 3 carbon atoms. Number the carbon atoms in a chain as 1, 2, 3. OL stands for OH, hydroxyl group. Show the OH group at C2. Now satisfy the valencies of each carbon atom. D. Methanol. Meth stands for 1 carbon atom. Assign the number 1 to carbon atom in the functional group, CHO. AS stands for functional group CHO aldehyde. Now satisfy the valencies of carbon in CHO. E. Butanoic acid. But stands for 4 carbon atom in a chain. Number the carbon atom as 1, 2, 3. Oic acid stands for functional group COOH, carboxylic group. Assign the number 1 to carbon in the functional group COOH. Now satisfy the valency of each carbon atom. F. 1-bromopropane. Answer. In 1-bromopropane, propane stands for 3 carbon atoms. Number the carbon atoms as 1, 2, 3. Bromo, halo is the prefix and the number assigned for prefix is 1. Show the bromine prefix at C1. Now satisfy the valencies of each carbon atom. G. Ethanamine. Eth stands for 2 carbon atom in a chain. Parent alkane is ethane. Amine stands for NH2 amino group. Show the amino at any carbon atom. Now satisfy the valencies of each carbon atom. H. Butanone. But stand for 4 carbon atoms. Name the carbon atoms in a chain as 1, 2, 3. ONE stands for functional group ketone. The number assigned for the ketone group is 2. Show the ketone group at C2. Now satisfy the valencies of each carbon atom. Question 8. Write answers as directed. Question A. What causes the existence of very large number of carbon compound? Answer. Carbon forms strong covalent bonds with other carbon atoms, result in big molecule. This property is called catenation power. Carbon compounds form open chain, straight chain or branch chain, closed chain, ring structure. Carbon has the ability to form multiple bonds such as single covalent bond. Example, CH3 single bond CH3. Double covalent bond. Example, CH2 double bond CH2. And triple covalent bond. Example, CH triple bond CH. Due to tetravalency of carbon atom, it can form bonds with other 4 atoms and results in the formation of many compounds. Example, chloride, methyl chloride. Carbon atom form covalent bond with atoms of element like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen and phosphorus. Isomerism is characteristics of carbon compound responsible for large number of carbon compounds. All these characteristics of carbon causes the existence of very large number of carbon compounds. Question B. Saturated hydrocarbons are classified into three types. Write these names giving one example each. Answer. Saturated hydrocarbons are classified into three types such as 1. Straight chain hydrocarbon. Example, propane. 2. Branch chain hydrocarbon. Example, isobutane. 3. Cyclic hydrocarbon. Example, cyclohexane. C. Give any four functional groups containing oxygen as the heteroatom in it. Write name and structural formula of one example each. Answer. Functional group. Heteroatom oxygen. Name alcohol. Structural formula OH. Condensed structural formula OH. Example. Name methanol. Aldehyde CHO. Acetaldehyde. Ketone CO. Acetone. Carboxylic COOH. Acetic acid. D. Give names of three functional groups containing three different heteroatoms. Write name and structural formula of one example each. Heteroatom. Halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Name halo. Structural formula ClBrI. Condensed structural formula ClBrI. Example, CH3Cl chloromethane. CH3CH2Br bromoethane. Oxygen. Alcohol. OH. CH3OH methanol. CH3CH2OH ethanol. Nitrogen. Amine. NH2. CH3NH2 methylamine. CH3CH2NH2 ethylamine. Question E. Give names of the three natural polymers. Write the place of their occurrence and names of monomers from which they are formed. Answer. Polysaccharide is a natural polymer. It occurs in starch, carbohydrates. It is formed from monomer glucose. Protein is a natural polymer. It occurs in muscles, hair, enzymes, skin, egg. It is formed from alpha amino acids. Rubber is a natural polymer. It occurs in latex of rubber tree. It is formed from monomer isoprene. F. What is meant by vinegar and gasohol? What are their uses? Answer. Vinegar is a 5 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid. It is used as preservative, to cook meat, and used as salad dressing. To increase the efficiency of petrol, it is mixed with 10% anhydrous ethanol. Such a fuel is called gasohol. It is used as a fuel in cars and vehicles. G. What is a catalyst? Write any one reaction which is brought about by use of catalyst. Answer. Catalyst is a substance which changes the rate of reaction without causing any disturbance to it. Reaction. Vegetable oil unsaturated compound undergoes addition reaction with hydrogen in the presence of platinum or nickel to form Vanaspati ghee. Dear friends, for more educational study video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Share and like the video. Thank you.